Like, I'm not gonna lie to you, if it wasn't for this lift and for the rims and for the like aesthetics of this truck, I think I would go with the F-150 Tremor. Also, that the price point is $66,000 and not $79,000, but I mean, Ford makes a good truck. It really does. And there are so many trucks in the market, from 2500 HDs to freaking Sierra 1500s and you name it, Tundras, Tacomas, Colorados, freaking Canyons. I mean, there's so many different type of trucks, and you can't just go wrong. There isn't a bad truck, and you can say the same for cars. There isn't a bad car. You just have to find what fits your niche the best, because you're not going to find a bad truck. They're all reliable for the most part. Oh, and then you got the Ram segment. You got the TRXs, the 1500s, 2500s as well, and so on. And then you got the Cybertrucks, which are for that special kind of people. I mean, there's so many different type of trucks you can choose from, and the world is your oyster. So feel free to comment below and let me know what truck you would choose and what truck you might have already chosen and what you drive and how you like it and why you like it. I'd like to know. Share with other people. It would be cool to make my videos like a forum for other people to interact and get opinions on which is better for them and all that good stuff. So there you have it, the driving POV of the 1500 RST 2025, I should add. Like, this is a 1500, and it's just very common. I see this a lot. I see this truck a lot. But then again, it's similar to GTA, that when you have something, you'll see more of it. Like, it'll spawn. If I get this truck though, I would definitely add the orange lights. Like, I love the orange lights on top, and maybe in like the grill. That's so cool. I'm really just talking to you guys. Like, this is me talking to you guys and assuming I know what your response is gonna be. So if I'm talking, like, people probably look at me and they're like, why does he have a camera on his head and why is he talking to himself? But little do they know I'm talking to the best internet gang on the planet, the Bats, for Bat Marrow. And a lot of people still wonder what my name means. And briefly, in case you're new, Bat Marrow is based on my favorite superhero, Batman, and then my Camaro 2SS, which I had from 2023, and I just combined it because I thought it sounded cool, like Camaro, Batmarrow, you get it. And I was like, this is so cool. And now we're here, driving a lifted RST and getting food from my mom's. So if you haven't already, drop a like on the video. It helps show me what you guys like and what you guys don't like. And if you're new, subscribe. And if you're not new and you're watching my videos and you just simply forgot to subscribe, make it easier on yourself and subscribe to the channel, so you guys always are tuning in and being a part of what we got going on. And as always, be sure to drop a comment on your thoughts of the 1500 RST Silverado 2025. And I'll see you guys in the next one.